Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Coughs alone can't reliably tell you if it's the flu or COVID-19. Both can cause dry or productive coughs, and symptoms overlap. COVID-19 coughs are often dry and persistent, while flu coughs usually come with body aches and sudden fever. To be sure, get tested and consult a healthcare professional. Don't rely only on your cough.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.